Hello mga ka-chars, maayong adlaw. Good morning, and now it's another day, another vlog na naman. Nagbaktas ko karon going to Capitol diri sa Dapa kay dito ami magtapok dito ara mi sundoon sa van. So it's our second day sa muang tourism site monitoring here in Siargao Island. So at this time nagbahin na ang grupo ko kinsay moadto sa Sugba Lagoon and sa Pagbasayan Island. So finally kami nga grupo ang moadto sa Sugba Lagoon para mag-monitor sa ilang existing development. So, Sugba Lagoon is one of the most popular things to do in Siargao. So, it's a short day trip from General Luna, Siargao to a spectacular lagoon surrounded by epic mountains. Spectacularly aquamarine, even on a cloudy day. The 87-hectare Sugba Lagoon is enveloped by dense limestone hills. Kaob is a 20-minute boat ride from Del Carmen Municipality, which is itself a 45-minute drive from General Luna. The lagoon can be incredibly still, so paddle boarding, kayaking, and wading of bamboo rafts are favorite activities here. Visitors will always enjoy snorkeling even among harmless jellyfish. So finally, we are here now at Sugba Lagoon.
Mabuhay! Good morning! Welcome to Sugba Lagoon, Siargao!
Perfect.
Ay, mas perfect.
Perfect din.
Perfect.
Mag-assessment kami dam.
Nakuhaan ako video.
Wala, amo mo.
So mao ni siya ang famous wooden diving board diri sa Sugba Lagoon. So diri mag-dive ang mga foreigner o mga visitors coming from different places. Char. So at this moment, manguli na mi. Kaya tapos naman mi monitor sa area. So man sila akong mga kauban. So mo transfer na pud mi sa Somyot Cave located in the municipality of Burgos, Siargao del Norte. So here we are.
What is Somyot Cave? Somyot Cave is located in the southeast part portion of Burgos. It has a distance of 3 kilometers from Barangay Poblacion 1. Somyot Cave was discovered by the early settlers known as Kapunuan people. They live in the nearby known as Pook.
So at this moment, ni-proceed nami sa Pacifico Big Waves located at Barangay Pacifico. So it is 9,000 square meter. It's a perfect for surfing and surrounded by crystal clean water and perfectly white sand. Prize secret spot among surfers enthusiasts like the famous Cloud9. This area also is packed with thousands of swell exposed reefs, and there is so much to be explored. Waves are better for more experienced surfers as they are over sharp reef and rocks. So grabe gyud maka-amaze gyud ang mga balod diri, grabe ka mga dagko. Unfortunately, nakita na mo diri si Andy Aygiman og iyahang bana nga si Pilmar og iyahang mga kauban nga mga foreigners nga mag-surfing. So grabe kay sila ka sexy. Mag-surfing to ni sila. Nanggapas na sila ani nga time kay it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So wala na lang may nagpa-picture kay nagdali man sila. Sumauto sila ilang mga kauban sa surfing. So after namo sa Pacifico, ni-proceed na pod mi sa Ihayas Farm located in the municipality of San Isidro. So Ihayas Farm local Siargao as a social enterprise is primarily focused on creating social impact geared towards creating a self-sufficient island by providing local farmers with support and helping them sustain their livelihood through generative farming practices. So the farm is located at Barangay del Pilar, San Isidro, Siargao del Norte. So niyami diri sa ilahang meeting place or what we call conference room diri sa local lab. So mo na ilang area diri.
And then, ang tutulong po namin ay, of course, all about sustainability and nature-based farming. So, at the moment, ongoing process pa po yung pag-academy ng Tropical Academy as a vocational school, but this site serves as a tour site. So, ang local lab, meron kaming tours na kinoconduct in GL and here in the north. So we have farm tours here in the academy, may cooking tours din po. Tapos may weaving classes din namin with the artisans from the north. Yun po. Sa farm tour namin, ikot namin kayo sa campus.
Against everything.
Roselle jam. So, ang Roselle is an hibiscus flower. Katong pula siya. So, ano mga ginahimo jam. Same like siya, but this one is on top with honey. And kini siya is our purple drinks, calamansi and the blue purple.
Amo na ini katong blue turn eh.
Gandahang bigla.